Hey guys, it's Nikki and I'm going to react to some K-pop. So I'm going to react to IKON, I'm Okay music video, and then Super Junior Black Suit music video, and then Crunch Palace music video. So I'm going to do those and they were requested in the comments, so I'm going to react to them. Here we go.
I'm okay. 걱정하지 마. 신경 쓰지 마. 차라리 혼자 있는 게 난 익숙하니까. I'm okay. 듣기 싫어 모든 힘이 되는 말들. 현실이 무거워 들지 못해 잠.
Okay, I really like this first guy's voice. It was really nice, and liked how like the beat like dropped in on it. So let me see. I don't know if it makes any sense, but hang on. Okay, yeah, like right there. I like the beat right there, and I like his voice. Oh, I like this guy's voice. I like the beat, like it's really different if you like the beat in the background, like just the stuff behind it. I really like that. Like it sounds kind of like I don't really know what it would sound like, but I like like the extra sound behind the bass, I guess it would be. I really like that sound that it has, and it like really complements like their voices and stuff, like the little I don't know what that is. Okay, never mind, I can't explain it.
힘이 되는 말들 난 괜찮은데 왜 유난 떠는지 다들 이별이 날카로워 조금 긁혔을 뿐 금방 나아지겠지 하루에 틀 지나면 침묵의 의미는 꼭 행복하라고 눈물의 의미는 진실로 사랑했다고 그냥 않은 인생이 끝난 사람처럼 날 보지 말아줘 바람이 스치면 낙엽이 흔들리고 파도가 스치면 바다가
Oh wow. Oh, that was sad. Oh, this shot's cool. What is it? Plastic bottles? Oh, that's cool. Oh, Okay. I feel like that song was like really, really deep, like the meaning of it, and I don't know if I like kind of was just getting like the surface level of it, because I've never really reacted to any of like IKON stuff, so I don't know, but it did seem like kind of like it's like they're saying they're okay, but is that what they really mean? I don't know. You know what I mean? So, but I really liked it. I liked the rapping and I liked the vocals. I really think that they are like they sound really good together. So I'll definitely have to check out more of them. But next I'm going to watch Super Junior Black Suit. So I did watch Super Junior the other day and I liked them. So I'm going to watch this one. Oh, they're fighting. Ooh. I don't know if it has captions. No, okay. Oh, I like his glasses. Are they auctioning them off? That's what it kind of looks like. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I liked that part. I liked the piano part. Oh, I like his voice. That jazz. That's nice. Oh, I really like his voice. And his glasses. Oh, that was cool. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, they're definitely auctioning off them because it said ready for the auction. So I got that part right. Chewing some gum. Oh. Ooh. I like how the beat came in right here. It's like a little bit harder. Where'd she go? I like that guy. Oh, footwork. Ooh, the vocals right there. Okay. Alright. Okay, so that was the second time that I've heard Super Junior. I think that they have really nice vocals. I liked the guy with the glasses. I thought his voice, I just really liked it. I thought it, I don't know, it's something like it called out to me, basically. I don't really know how to explain it, but I really liked it. But I liked the video. I was trying to figure out the storyline was of it. Like, I understood it was an auction, but I was just trying to figure out like what happened at it, you know what I mean? So if you know, just let me know. And but I did like it. And I'm going to react now to D Crunch Palace. I've never heard of D Crunch before, but I'm always open to new things, so we're gonna try it. Here we go. Oh, the beat. Oh.
No fake beaters, you know what I'm saying? Beat 'em, tell 'em,
Oh.
get 'em, and take 'em. Yeah, y'all know who it be. I'll wake up in my palace, but God, the kiss so jealous.
Okay, wait a second. All right, I wasn't prepared for that. I wasn't prepared. The beat was like really dark, you know what I mean? Like ominous, I guess. And then he came in with like his like darker voice, you know what I mean? I don't know, it was like deeper and like, you know, I don't know. I really liked it.
Hey, look, no fake
Because like the
beaters,
beat's
you know
like
what I'm saying?
doo,
Beat 'em,
doo.
tell 'em, get 'em, and take 'em. Yeah, y'all know who it be. I'll wake up in my palace, but God, the kiss so jealous. You can riches made it. I'll wake up in my palace. We are independent. You know it. You can riches deep on. Yeah, we made it.
Oh. Okay, hang on. The quality of the video, like the screen, is no crazy. I like his voice. I like his energy too. Like his confidence. Oh, his voice. I like his voice. Oh, I like that. I like this video. I like the video because they're not really doing much in the video. It's just kind of like a red background and they're just there. But they don't really need to, you know what I mean? Like in the other video, I liked it because it had like a storyline to it. It was like stuff was going on. But this one, it's like they're not really doing anything, but it's also good too. So it's interesting that that people can do that. But I like this one too because it's kind of, it doesn't need it, you know? And the other one didn't need it, but I'm just saying. Oh, I like that part. The Sunday. I don't know if that's actually said or not. Oh, I like that. I like this guy's voice though. We are independent. Oh, I like the dancing. It's really intense. Oh. Oh, I liked that part. Okay, hang on. This guy. I like this guy that came in. Oh. Oh, this guy's voice though. And this beat is ridiculous. Oh, I like this guy's voice too. I like all their voices. Oh, the vocals. This guy. Oh, body. I'm sorry, what was that? What was... Okay, so I liked it. I liked them all, but I really liked that one. They kind of just, I wasn't expecting it really. I didn't know what to expect really, but I liked it. And I liked their intensity and just the way that they sounded, like all their voices. I liked it all. So I really liked that one. So I liked all those. So thank you for requesting them. If you have any more requests, just leave them in the comments and I will react to them. Bye!